Hello, trading is closed on September 30th, 2015. I'm Jeff Tennant. My last call said if we could avoid trading under these lows, that we should get a good rally, which should last till the end of the day, which is what happened. MEJT is now saying the rally is not for keeps and gives us a target of 1901.44, most likely to print tomorrow. We have pretty strong resistance at today's high. Let's look at some evidence. This was the mark buy signal that we got at the low. So far, all that's happened is we've had a standard 61.8% retracement. What you really want to see is to take out this line. It could still happen. I think the odds are against it for reasons I'll discuss. This is significant trend line here called the TD line. The break through it was not in keeping with DeMark's sustainability criteria that mandated that we return to the line at some time. Unsustainable breaks of these lines tend to become sustainable, which means if this holds, it's likely to hold, and we should continue down. Just because the initial break is false doesn't mean the break is not very significant. There are a number of things on the 15-minute chart. Here's your stilt. Here's your diamond. Half is enough. The pattern doesn't have to go to completion, but we do have a much lower MEJT target tomorrow. Futures are already down, and frequently we'll get a stilt-like move down. It's not too good when you gap up, rally all day, and you can't close over this high. I know we closed over the high, but it happened right at the end of the day and was given back immediately in futures. Unless we gap over this high or promptly trade over it tomorrow, that tends to be a false move. And finally, while I am anything but an expert in Elliott wave, if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down, if that counts correct, we could have completed an A, B, C, and it's interesting that this is wave A, and if that's really C, they're pretty equal to me. So we have strong resistance at today's high. I guess we could always have a gap over it, and if we maintain that, we could be off to the races on the upside. I think if that does not happen, and I'm not expecting it to happen, we're in for a big drop tomorrow, quite likely with a stilt-like move at the open, which goes down. If that happens, we have some support at the origin of the left stilt, but because of the Fibonacci relationship between the height of the diamond and the length of the stilt, I think that the normal support could turn out to be resistance. If we have a stilt-like gap move down tomorrow, it should undercut recent lows and go a lot further than that. And if the count is right, we have another impulsive leg down in front of us. And that is today's call.